School-wide cultural sensitivity is especially important at Banneker Elementary because over 100 students out of less than 500 total students are bilingual and English language learners. They are an important part of the school community. The administration, the ELL Coordinator, all of the teachers, and most importantly the students have embraced an initiative of respect, acceptance, and inclusion for all. From integrating international study topics into the curriculum, to multicultural family nights for the entire school, this school is making great strides towards integrating the ELL students and their families into the school community. There are 2 world language paraprofessionals who speak Spanish and Haitian Creole. As part of the regular staff at the school, their job is to help bridge the cultural divide for students, teachers, and families. They assist in making students and families feel included and valued. The ELL Coordinator does many cross-cultural outreach activities, such as a multilingual children's book lending library program, including ELL students in presenting the morning announcements. And she makes sure that all school activities, invitations, and announcements are also translated and extended specifically to ELL students and their families. Everyone is respected, everyone is communicated with, and everyone is invited. This small school in a rural setting is really embracing cultural sensitivity and respect for all. This program from Educational Impact will show you how these educational professionals do it. We will take you inside the classroom and talk to the teachers, the paraprofessionals, and the ELL coordinator who will share their strategies. You can contact Educational Impact at www.educationalimpact.com.